Today I am talking about how to edit FramedElectricTitle template in Premiere Pro. There is a download link in the description. Now go window and activate Essential Graphics panel. Now click on the Install Motion Graphics Template button at the bottom. Now select the downloaded MOGRT file. Now drag and drop on timeline. Now click on the file on the timeline and make the changes you want. Here you can change the title as you like, change the font and even the color of the font as you like.